Hi guys, it's Alf here from Instrowest. Today we're here to show you our SMC Push In Fittings kits. So we have a imperial and a metric version. So what we've done is we've put them in some roller cases so they can be thrown in the back of a ute, used in a workshop. The reason we've used roller cases is we find that most of our clients' sites are already using the roller case product. So if we have a look inside, you can see what we've got. So we've got two cases for each. So what we've done is we've gone 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch and 1/2 inch tubing to BSP threads, which is commonly used in the Keystone and SMC pneumatics. The thread sizes we've got here range from 1/8 through to 1/2 inch BSPT. So that's the smaller one of the two, and then if we open another unit. So the other thing we've included within these kits are other pneumatic components that you commonly need on site. So we've got some exhaust silencers here. We've got both in a plastic version and a poly version, and we've got them in a sintered bronze version as well. The other thing we have is some thread tapes. So we've got a gas thread tape, normal PFA thread tape. We've got a stainless steel anti-seize thread tape if you're using your products on stainless fittings. The other thing we've got is some lock nuts for 1/2 inch. So if you're putting one of your sintered bronze breathers into a pneumatic cabinet, you can throw it in. All the items have the Instrowest part numbers here, so reordering should be a breeze. You can just jump onto our website and reorder what you need to. For the metric set, it's much the same. Essentially we've got the same products in metric sizing. So the tube size we've got here is 6mm, 10mm and 12mm. We haven't done an 8mm. We find that these three sizes normally do a majority of the work. Again, we've still got all the poly silencers and sintered bronze silencers, same as what we've got in the imperial set. And again, easy to reorder using the Instrowest numbers. If you'd like some more information on these SMC kits, feel free to give us a call on 08 9500 9120 or jump on our website at www.instrowest.com.au.